Welcome to We're Reading Virtual Story Time for the week of April 10th, 2022, Part 1. This week's theme is Money Smart Week. Joseph Had a Little Overcoat by Sims Taback. Joseph had a little overcoat. It was old and worn. So he made a jacket out of it and went to the fair. Joseph had a little jacket. It got old and worn. So he made a vest out of it and danced at his nephew's wedding. Joseph had a little vest. It got old and worn. So he made a scarf out of it and sang in the men's chorus. Joseph had a little scarf. It got old and worn. So he made a necktie out of it and went to visit his married sister in the city. Joseph had a little necktie. It got old and worn. So he made a handkerchief out of it and drank a glass of hot tea with lemon. Joseph had a little handkerchief. It got old and worn. So he made a button out of it and used it to fasten his suspenders. Joseph had a little button. One day he lost it. Now he had nothing. So Joseph made a book about it, which shows you can always make something out of nothing. The end. Our craft is Joseph's little overcoat puzzle. So your Craft to Go kit has all the pieces for his overcoat, as well as a template. So here are the pieces, and this is the template. This way you know where to lay them. And what you're going to need for this is, of course, something to color with. I'm going to use crayons today. And you'll need a glue stick. So the first step, and again, this is just a template, so we're not even going to worry about that right now. The first step is to color all the little pieces and put them together. Okay, now we have all the colored pieces done. I went ahead and made mine brown with green plaid, kind of like in the story, but you can make yours any color you want. And then the next thing to do is push things off aside, and we're going to take our template and our glue stick. And I think the best way to put this together is to tell the story backwards. So what was the last thing Joseph made? And actually that was a story, right? But before the story he had a button. So we'll take the button and put a little glue on the back and stick it on the spot. And he made the button from a handkerchief, which is right here. So we put the glue on the back of the handkerchief and stick it on there. And he made the handkerchief from a tie. So here's the tie. And we're going to put glue all over that. No, you can't see it, but I'm doing it, I promise. And we're going to stick the tie on there around the button. And he made the tie from a scarf. So here's part of the scarf. On there, and it goes right there. And the scarf was made from a vest. So here's the other part of the vest, and we'll glue that. Put it on. There's his vest, and he made the vest from a jacket. I'm not sure which side goes on which. Let's see here. Looks like that. And he made the jacket from an overcoat. Oops, I dropped it. You can't really see the overcoat because this has limitations, but there it is. There's the puzzle all put together. And like I said, I did mine in brown and green plaid like in the story, but you can do yours however you'd like.